Welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to download and use Capcut for video editing. For those who don't have Capcut already downloaded on your phone or your mobile device, go to Play Store. On Play Store, on the search bar, you search for Capcut. So this is how the app looks like. Capcut is the one that has black and white on its logo. This is how it looks like. So this is what you actually want to download. So I already have this app installed on my phone already, so I don't have to install it again. But if you don't have it, it's going to show you to download it. So since I have it, I'm just going to open the app and show you how the interface looks like. This is how the interface looks like. I've already had a lot of projects that I've worked on Capcut, so that's why my own interface is looking like this. But for you who just downloaded it, you just see only new projects or create projects. So what you want to do, you come here on this place, you see this new project here, because you want to upload your video, so it could enable you to start editing. So you come here, you click on new project. When you click on new project, so this is your gallery which contains your video and your photos. You actually want to select what you want to work on. If you want to work on video, you look for the video here that you want to start editing. But if you want to work on photos, this is photos. I have here photos, I have here video. So I want to work on a particular video which I already have on my device. So I'll come here, let's say this is what I want to work on. You click on, you can as well select multiple videos, pictures, whatever you want to work on. It depends on you, it's your choice. So I want to work on this particular video, and you click on, when you select it, you click on add. So we just added this video to our Capcut. So what this here is called, this is where the video is now being uploaded. This is called your timeline. This is here, this is called your timeline, where this is what you'll be working on. You used to edit this particular video, and when you want to edit this video, you just click on it. As you can see, the moment I click on it, it brought out this white stuff here, and you can see you can move, you can edit. And on this baseline here, what this is called, these are the tools that you'll be using. These are all the tools that you'll be using on Capcut for editing. So let's go back, let me show you the tools individually so you could understand how this particular app works. Here you could see edit, you have audio, you have text, we have the overlay, we have effects, we have aspect ratio. This aspect ratio is the ratio if you want to go for your YouTube, which the ratio is 16.9. If it's TikTok, the ratio is 9:16. 1.1 for Instagram. So it depends on what you are working for or what that particular video is meant for. So when you want to work on this video, you click on it. When you click on it, you could see that the tools actually change. Here you could split. Let's say you want to cut this video, you want to remove a particular thing, you can just split, you can drag it here. If you want it speed, animation, style. So this is the tools that you actually use to edit your video on Capcut. So you have to select the video first before you can actually use the tools. And when you make a mistake, this arrow here means to undo. You can see it here. This arrow, you can just undo when you actually make a mistake. Go back, you can see we've undo everything that we've done because we made a mistake. And when you are done editing, you can remove this cap. If you don't want this Capcut at the end of your video, you can just click on it here and you delete it. So basically, this is just the basic on how to actually use Capcut for your video editing. There's one more thing here. You can add a cover. Let's say you want this cover to appear on your video. Let it be the first thing that people will see before they watch this video. You can actually select a cover either from the video itself or from your album. Let's say I want to use this as my cover. You can see confirm, then you click on save. So you can see now I've just created a cover for my video. So this is just the basic of how to use Capcut. You download it and you just understand how the interface works. And when you are done, you come here, you click on this arrow here. This arrow means that you want to actually download it. This is the arrow. This is it. So you click on this arrow when you are done, and you can see you are exporting your video. So basically this is just the basic on how to use Capcut as a beginner. I hope this video was helpful. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.